Excuse me, ma'am, what should we be doing now?
You need to pay the hospital fees. And then you can take the body with you.
I'm sorry, we haven't got any money with us right now.
One moment, please. Yes. Yes. We'll give you the body once you come here. You're welcome. Goodbye.
Were you talking on the phone?
How can I help you?
Have you got a patient called Ardeshir Shamshiri?
Ardeshir Shamshiri? No, we haven't got a patient like that here.
You scared us to death, lady. Put that mouthpiece out a bit more so we know you're talking on the phone.
What?
Mom!
What?
Come, Dad's not dead. She was talking on the phone.
He's not dead?
No, she was talking on the phone with someone else.
Thank God, thank God! You really need to pay more attention to what you're doing, ma'am. You scared us half to death, damn
All
you!
right, let's go, Sarah. Come on.
What happened, Eunice?
Nothing. He wasn't in there either.
Oh, dear God. Where should we look for him now?
Didn't you find
Wasn't
him?
he in there?
No.
Be careful, be careful.
Mom, I know where we might be able to find Dad.
Where?
Get in and I'll tell you. Get in.
Get in.
Well, tell us, Daniel. Where should we look for him?
Come in, sir.
Go in, Daniel. Go in. Go in.
Go
man.
in, man. It's not a coffee shop, you know. Wow. Oh, no.
Come here. Don't look. Don't look. Don't look.
Aren't you looking for your father? Is this him?
No, that's not
No,
my
he's
dad.
talking about this one here. This one.
My dear friend, can you do me a favor and see whether his face looks like an eagle or not?
These are his feet.
His feet?
Does he have any sign on his feet, like a mark or a tattoo
No,
or
man,
something?
I've never seen my dad without his socks on. Hey, pal, can you pull him out, please? I won't be able to recognize him until I see his head.
Here's his head for you.
Can you do me a favor and tell me whether he looks like an eagle or not?
Yeah, a little bit. He looks a tiny bit like a pigeon as well.
No, no, my dad looks just like an eagle.
Oh, just go and look already, man.
Look at him.
No, no, put him back in there. Oh, no, no, oh, God, oh, God.
I say just forget about him, sis. He'll eventually get hungry and he'll come back home.
What are you talking about? What if he's been stabbed or something like that?
Oh,
what
come
if
on.
they've killed him already?
Mother, for goodness sake, don't say these things.
You're killing the guy before he's even dead.
Let's go. Let's go already.
Where shall we go, Mum? Let's take a break near that wall.
We're
I've got pins and
tired.
needles in my legs.
No one cares about your pins and needles. We need to go to the police station.
What shall we go to the police station for?
We should go there because we want to laugh and have fun.
Very well, then. Where have you checked so far?
Well, we went and we asked the hospital.
We checked the
and we
mortuary
called
as
my
well.
dad's
My
friends
father
and we
called
had a
my
few
dad.
friends
Had a
and
few
we called all of
Had
them,
a
but
few friends,
none of them had
yeah.
heard
We called
anything
them.
about him.
Yeah, they
I mean, you
did.
have to
had a few
understand we've
friends.
done
We
every
called all
possible
of them,
thing.
but none of
We've
them
done
had
every
heard
possible
about
thing we
it.
can.
Excuse me,
Can I talk?
excuse me. Please speak one at a time so I can understand what you are saying now.
Can I talk?
Go ahead.
We did think to go to the hospital, and when we were there, we did check. We checked whether he was admitted to the accidents and the emergency
He
section.
wasn't in the
to another
hospital. We left
hospital
to
and he
another
wasn't
one.
there as well.
We asked
and
the
then
nurse
he
in the
wasn't
reception
there
and
as
she
well.
said
We
we
asked the
even
nurse.
thought he was dead, so we
Excuse me.
there and they
Excuse me, please. Please, can you take this form, ma'am?
Yes,
Fill it out so I can send it to the investigations unit.
but why the investigations
The
unit? Captain?
paperwork needs to be completed.
We don't need all that paperwork when you're here. I've lost my husband. What should I be doing now?
My mother's right, Captain. We don't need all that paperwork. It's not like you're going to be cooking chicken stir-fry here. Use your walkie-talkie to tell the officers to find my dad. We're waiting.
Please give me a picture of him and I'll see what I can do.
A picture. I'm so sorry. I haven't got his picture here.
You don't?
No, I don't. Sarah?
No.
Daniel?
Mom, I haven't even got my backpack here.
His family loves him so much that they don't even bother keeping his picture with him, you know?
Oh, yes. Speaking about family, you've just reminded me of a family photo we took before. Let me take it out of my bag. Yes, it's right here. Here it is. Oh, Daniel. Look
Hey.
how you look. Look how handsome you are.
Mom, where did you get this picture from? Look, Uncle.
Yeah?
Look at that,
Give
man.
it here. Let me see
Wow.
that.
It was
Hey,
such
sis,
a
couldn't you
memorable
sit a bit
night.
further away from Ardeshir so we could cut the picture?
What for? Why should I wreck a beautiful picture like this? No, I can't do that.
Captain, I can cut Ardeshir's head off and give it to you.
Don't you dare cut that.
That's fine, ma'am. You cut it.
No, it's the only one I've got
Hey,
like
Mother,
that.
look,
You've
we might
ruined
have
it,
one.
Eunice.
Give it
Mom,
back to
I'll
us
fix
later.
it for you with Photoshop later on.
Put this in your bag.
Really?
Put this in your bag.
Let's just give it to him. Let
Return
him
this
have
to
it.
us later. It's a memorable piece for them.
I'll put whoever's face you want on it.
I will fix it.
Just don't wreck my picture.
Can you fix it?
Yes, madam.
Can you fix the whole thing?
You can even put Bruce Lee's head on it if you want.
Who is it?
Open up, Mom. It's Ava. Hello.
Hello. What happened?
Hello.
Hello. What happened?
Hello.
Hello. What happened? Hello. What happened?
Hi, Grandma Kizzy.
Hello. What happened?
How can I put it? I love you a lot.
There's no need for you to love me. Just don't nick my pockets. So what happened? Are you deaf? Someone talk to me. Tell me what happened.
Mum, you can see that we didn't find him, can't you?
You can't even find a person just like everything else. It's my job to do it.
Do you know where he is?
No, I don't know where he is, but I will find him.
How on earth?
How?
I'm going to put his picture in the newspaper and write under it that he has behavioral problems. People will then feel sorry for him and they'll
She means
find
we should
him
tell people
quickly.
he has
That's
dementia.
not a bad idea, Mother. Let's put an ad in
Yes,
the
good
newspaper.
idea.
No, it's not a good idea. It's a terrible idea. All we need now is Cameron to see my dad's picture in the paper and laugh
Is
at it.
Cameron more important to you or Dad?
Who the hell cares? Your dad's well-being is all I care about.
I've even placed a reward for him.
How much?
20 tomans.
20 million?
Even Bin Laden's not worth 20 million. I meant 20,000 tomans.
I think that's pretty reasonable, don't you?
He's special because he's your son-in-law, right?
No, I might not even put an ad in the paper. Why don't you all go and get some rest while I go out?
Mom, no, I don't think it's a bit too soon to publish his picture. We keep looking for him first, and if we don't find him, then
Yeah,
we
it's
publish
Where
it.
to?
I'm gonna go sleep now.
Go get some bread.
Mom, look at their faces. They're in dire need of sleep. They're not gonna eat breakfast
He's
now.
unbelievable.
Actually, Uncle Eunice, I'm really hungry. Sorry.
What about you, Sarah?
Well, I'd say I'm with them, Uncle.
How about some flatbread, huh? Get us some flatbread, please.
Yeah, thanks,
okay?
Uncle Eunice.
I'm the only one who smells fishy around here, right?
He's tired.
Thank you, Eunice.
You want me to come with you?
Yeah, why not? We can have a little chat together, okay?
Go wait in line while I have a quick shower. Is the water hot, Grandma Kizzy?
Yes.
Sarah, go bring me my towel.
What are these?
Why did you turn the light on when it's daylight outside? Why did you drop the things on the floor?
I'm looking for Daniel's towel, Grandma Kersey. I'll pick them up, don't worry.
Here, come, take this and give it to your brother so he doesn't catch a cold. He might lose his mind then.
He hasn't even got a mind to lose.
Well, he takes after you, doesn't he? What am I going to do with this mess? Look at this. I shouldn't have even opened the door for them. They're turning my life upside down. I'm glad they haven't nicked my pockets. Look at this. What am I supposed to do with these now? Ugh. I should never open the door to these young people. Oh.
Are you saying my backpack got switched with someone
yeah,
else's?
go look for yourself if you don't believe me.
Are you sure?
This was in it.
That was in the backpack. Give it here. What are you standing here for? Go.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
How much do I owe you?
2,002 mans.
Here.
Thanks. Fakir said to put this in that file.
What's it about?
I don't know, it's written there.
Hello,
Hi,
sir.
how you doing?
Hello.
Hey, why don't you watch where you're going?
Talk properly.
I thought you were Mr. Fakir.
Suppose I was him. Is that the proper way to talk?
Hi, how are you? Did you have a good trip?
It was good.
Did you bring me any souvenirs?
Has Mr. Fakir come in yet?
Yes, he's been looking for you all morning, he has.
Is he upset?
Yes, he's gone mental.
Yeah, he's right. He had 4 Aston Fins since this morning.
What's he had?
Aston Fin.
Really?
How's your family doing?
They're good, thank you. I'll be back in a minute.
Come in.
Hello, sir.
Where have you been, Ahmed? I've been waiting all morning.
I'm sorry.
I've been waiting all morning.
How are you?
Oh. Why won't you answer your phone?
I'm really sorry, sir. Something came up. I'm really sorry.
All right. There's no need for you to continue. The important thing is that you're here now. So tell me.
Well?
How was your trip?
Well, it was,
Did you have fun?
Yeah, it was great, thanks.
And what was the weather like?
I was about to tell you.
Go on, then.
Before I tell you about the whole trip, I should thank you really for putting your trust in me to go there. I really appreciate it.
Mr. Farouzesh, let me make something clear here. In my opinion, no one would have accomplished this mission as well as you did.
Thank you, sir. There's just one thing I need to tell you.
I know what it is. You want a bonus. Don't worry, Hamid. Once this deal is finalized, I'll pay you double the amount we agreed to. You want to know why exactly? You want to know why?
Why?
Because you're worth it, all right? So, let me see the document.
Yes, sure.
The document.
By the way, when you
plans.
asked about China,
Uh-huh.
it really is a beautiful country.
I know.
The height of the people
They're
there.
all tall, I know.
No, sir, they're short.
They're short?
Yeah, they're short,
Okay.
yeah, and their eyes.
Their eyes are huge.
No, their eyes are tiny.
They're tiny?
Yeah, their
I
eyes are
see.
tiny. And their
brains are the size of an
No,
almond.
sir, they've got brains this big.
Like a watermelon?
No, sir, they can make copies of things and turn it out better than the original piece.
Yeah, I've heard about that.
Yeah.
Everything is made in China these days.
That's right.
All right, so where are the documents?
That's strange.
Is there a problem?
No.
You're killing me here. Give me the documents.
You
the
know what
CDs.
happened, sir? I was in such a big rush when I was coming here that I left them on the shoe stand at home.
What do you mean you left them at home? There's going to be a whole lot of important people coming here in a couple of hours to see those designs and CDs, and you're telling me you left them at home?
No, there's no need to worry because I've memorized every single detail. I'll explain the whole thing to them.
How exactly is explaining going to help them? They want documents, my man. Get up.
What for?
Because I said so. Get up. Please leave. I want you to bring all the documents and CDs within 2 hours' time. Have you got that?
Yeah, sure thing. Hello.
Ahmed,
You are?
it looks like my backpack got switched with yours.
Where on earth are you, man? I've been looking everywhere for you since last night. I even went to your house and this tough guy beat me up. He said you guys had sold the house.
Okay, I can't be bothered arguing with you. Listen, pretty boy. If you want your backpack, meet me at the house you went to last time in an hour's time. If you're late, even by a minute, I'll chuck all your things away.
All right, fine. I'll be there in an hour.
Now, what did you do that for, man?
Hello, Cameron.
Hi, Mrs. Racy. Is there anything wrong?
Do you know which stupid person brought that sheep into our building last night?
Are you serious? They brought sheep into the building? I didn't even notice. Did it make a mess?
I didn't even sleep a wink last night. I can still hear it buying.
Oh, dear. But you know, Mrs. Racy, it's not really the sheep's fault, is it? Sheep have to bar. You need to look for the noble neighbor that brought him here.
Noble! I reckon he's a despicable, retarded person who doesn't even know the rules of living in an apartment.
You probably shouldn't talk about him that way. He might overhear us. That wouldn't be good.
I swear to God, I'll kill him once I find him.
What was Susan saying, Father?
Who cares? She's mad as always. Get in.
Was that a sheep, Dad?
Get in. Get in before anyone sees us.
What on earth are you doing, Father? What if someone sees us, you know?
Don't worry, honey. Your dad knows what he's doing. He knows when to come and when to go, so he doesn't get caught.
Daddy, if you keep this up, you'll eventually get caught and it'll be so embarrassing. Please don't embarrass me, Father.
Embarrass you? I can't just go quitting my job because some people there don't like the smell of sheep and manure. Can I, dear?
No, you can't, but there's a bunch of people living in that building. That place belongs to people, not sheep.
No. For your information, my generation and around 7 generations ago were brought up with the smell of sheep and manure. You won't be able to remember, but my great-grandfather was a shepherd. My grandfather had a flock. My late father bred sheep. And as for me, I sell sheep. Now, if your child turns out to be a butcher, we should really celebrate.
Oh, come on, Dad.
Don't dad me. There's big money in the meat business now. There.
All right, fine, Dad. Just don't bring any sheep into our building anymore.
All right. Let's go give this to its owner on the way. Then you won't have to worry anymore, okay?
No, Daddy, I'm running late. I've got a lot to do today.
All right, then. How about we go to my son-in-law's place so you can pay your mother-in-law a visit and get your souvenirs, and then we'll go give the sheep to its owner, okay?
But, Daddy, I'm running late.
Okay, honey?
All right, Dad, go get rid of this sheep, and then you can do whatever you want to.
That's my girl. Let's go. Now give me a big smile, okay?
Where are you off to?
I'm going to Dad's workplace.
What for?
I want to see whether anyone's heard from him.
Well, why don't you go with Daniel? He can drop you
No,
off.
why should she come with me? She's going that way where there's traffic.
I'm much more comfortable taking
Go with a taxi and come back in a taxi, and remember to sit in the front seat.
Go away.
Good on you, man.
I'll be back in an hour. So
Okay.
don't worry about me.
Okay.
So give it.
What?
Give me the key so I can open the door.
The door?
Oh, wow. Has it got finger touch? Cool. Give me the key so I can at least get it started.
Oh, yeah. When you connect the blue and red wires together, it'll start.
Cool. It's a fully manual car.
Be careful. It hasn't got proper gears or brakes.
Thanks, Uncle Younes. It's good enough for me.
Judging by how petrol prices are going up, it's only natural that people will turn to cars that run on liquid gas. It's both cost efficient and better for the environment.
Here you are.
Thank you. Oh, it's boiling water.
What are you doing, Safi?
It's boiling water for your coffee, sir.
It's for your coffees. Put them on the table and get out of here.
Yes, I apologize.
That's okay.
I'm sorry.
You clumsy man.
Excuse me?
What? Yes. Anyway, if you decide to work with our company, it would make us really happy. It really would.
Sarah, please
Uncle
wait.
Sodri.
Sorry, sir. I tried telling Sarah you were in a meeting.
Hello there, Sarah. How are you, my dear? It's okay, ma'am. You can go.
Uncle Sodri, where's Dad?
Allow me to introduce you. This is Sarah, Mr. Shamshiri's daughter.
Pleased to meet you.
These gentlemen are partners of our company.
Don't get up, please. Uncle Sodri, please do something. We've looked everywhere for Dad last night, but we couldn't find him.
What are you worried about, sweetie? Your dad called and said he'd be here in a couple of hours, so don't worry about it.
Really?
Yes, really.
What a relief.
Yeah, thank God.
All right, I'll wait for him out in the lobby then.
All
Sorry
right,
for
darling.
interrupting.
Take care. Go and make yourself comfortable, darling. Last night, her dad. You know him? Come closer. Last night, her dad didn't go home, so the whole family worried about him. There's something for falling out.
What? Yes, that's my watch.
It's your watch, yeah?
There's no reception here. Why don't you call with the office phone?
Okay, thanks.
No worries.
It'll give us great pleasure to work with your company, Mr. Kazai. I'll arrange another meeting for next week, so I'll be waiting for your call. So next week Mr. Hojati, I'll be waiting for your call, Miss Hojati. Miss Hojati, I'm talking to you. Hey, bro, close the door. Let's go inside.
Didn't Dad say why he didn't come home last night?
Well, what can I say? How should I know, sweetheart?
Well, didn't you talk to him?
Let's go inside so I can tell you.
Didn't you ask him?
I've never lied in my entire life before, but I had to lie this time. I haven't seen your father.
You lied to me. What for?
Yes, let's go out and I'll tell you. They're all a bunch of nosy people here. Stop here. I really didn't like what you did. You did a very bad thing.
What did I do?
You just barged into the office saying my dad's gone missing in front of those two men who plan on investing in this company. You did a terrible thing.
Well, what's that got to do with anything?
You're too young to understand these things, my dear. These people find out that the company's CEO's gone missing, they'll disappear without giving it a second thought. They won't even consider investing then.
Aha. I understand it now. You wouldn't mind seeing my dad getting hurt. Being a CEO must be a better job than being a deputy.
Well, of course being CEO is better. That's all nonsense. Your father is my brother. We've been partners for years now. Are you trying to write an essay here on whether wealth is better than knowledge?
There you go. You're not even worried about my dad, Mr. Sudbury. My father is missing, and if anything happens to him, you're the one who should be held responsible.
Not so loud, please. If they find out, the company will collapse.
Well, why shouldn't they know? Let them know that their boss has gone missing. I'm going to tell them.
The company will lose its reputation.
No, they need to know.
Your dad will lose his reputation.
Gentlemen, why are you just sitting there? Come here, please.
Sarah, please.
Mr. Shamshiri, the CEO of this company has gone missing and no one knows where he is. If you've heard anything about him, for the love of God, please let us know.
You finally said it, did you?
This was something you had to do.
Fine, but you owe me one.
Is there something wrong?
Why are you all standing there staring at me? Get back to work. You go too, go on. No, Mr. Whitehead, you stay. I'll be with you in a moment. You stay, please. I'll be right with you. And don't you call me master ever again.
Yes, boss.
And don't call me boss either.
Yes, sir.
And don't call me sir either. I hate all three words.
What should I call you then, sir?
Call me garbage, I don't know. Go get on with your work. I have to put up with so much. To hell with the whole lot of you. To hell with all of you.
What's wrong with that sheep, Dad?
He's hot.
Who is it?
Hello, it's us.
You are?
Hey, are you saying you don't remember us now? Open the door. That's it. He looks more like a boxer than a plumber. Hey, look, it's our plumbing master. I suppose the plumbing job's complete, and you've reached the finish line.
So what have I finished? What's he got to do with you?
Why are you so angry and upset? Where is he?
Well, he's here.
Tell him to come. Tell him to come here.
He's here. Who are you after?
Ardeshir. He's my father-in-law.
Ardeshir, Shamshiri? I don't get it. What does this guy do? Is he a con artist or a fugitive or a drug dealer? He double-crossed his own family and took off.
He's taken off?
Yes, he took off. His wife and kids came here last night. They didn't even know that he sold the house to us.
So Ardeshir sold this house to you?
Yes, he sold it to me.
So there weren't any burst pipes then. Are you okay?
You watch your mouth.
I was talking about the house pipes.
Get out, sir.
Now look
get
here.
out. Get out.
I'm sorry.
Get out.
I'm sorry. Don't get upset.
No, get out.
Let's
get
go
out.
before he
Get out of
stabs
here,
us.
sir.
Let's
There's
go.
no burst pipes around
Let's
here.
go.
I can assure you. Goodbye.
Who on earth was that?
Well, I don't know. I just can't believe it. How can this be possible, Dad?
Hang on a minute. Didn't Daniel say anything about this?
No, Father. You saw him last night. He said he was going home.
Get in the car. Let's go. You were about to get us killed. The boy lied to us. Do you have to get beaten up before you realize he's a liar?
You're making a mistake, Dad.
Yeah, I'm making a mistake.
Hey, Dad, look over there. It's Daniel and... That's his uncle's car.
If they sold the house, what's he doing here then?
Who's the other guy?
Don't you know him?
No, I've seen all of Daniel's friends, but I don't know who that is.
Listen, no offense, but I smell a rat.
No, Father, Daniel's not like that.
Hang on. Where do you think you're going? Stay where you are.
Well, I want to go and find out what's going on here.
You're so naive. He's not going to tell you the truth.
So what are you saying, Father? I should just sit here and do nothing?
We'll take action when it's time, darling. Right now, we should watch them and catch them by surprise if we have to. Watch carefully and stay seated. Hey, what a scoundrel. Did you see what he just did?
What did he do?
Backpacks. They exchanged backpacks.
So what does that mean, then?
Don't you think it's lighter than before?
Don't compare me with yourself. I'm a decent person.
You must be kidding me. Forget about decency. Try to act humane, at least.
Hey, what's your problem anyway?
I don't like the way you look. You've got a fringe. I don't like it. Got that? Next time I see you, I'll change faces with you instead of the backpacks. Got that?
Listen, you should change your personality first. That's if you've got one.
Stop talking garbage. I told you not to talk. Ugh.
What are they doing, Father?
I think they're fighting over money. Listen, the price for stuff's gone up.
Stuff? What kind of stuff?
Do I actually have to name it for you? The goddamn thing they smoke. The boy's a drug dealer, if I'm not mistaken. Look at me. I told you so.
You wimp! Ahmed! My dear brother! Ahmed! Ahmed! Listen, man, I'm sorry. I really am. Please forgive me. I know I overreacted. I shouldn't have spoken to you like that. The thing is I'm young, you know. I was stuck in traffic today and I took my anger out on you. I'm sorry. I really am. I'm sorry.
Go away, you're crazy.
I'm sorry. Listen, I know I acted like a jerk. No one's ever been upset with me, so I don't want you to be the first one. Come, I'll drop you off wherever you want. I had no choice but to drive this piece of junk. Consider me like yourself.
All right, fine.
Hey, thanks, man, thanks.
Daddy, those two just made up now.
It looks like they've probably agreed on a price.
What price?
The price of that goddamn stuff. You know what I mean.
Dad, you've become really pessimistic.
No, don't worry about a thing, sweetheart. I'll eventually find out what's going on. And then I'll teach him a lesson you'll never forget. You'll see. You see that? See that, sweetheart? He's begging for just this amount of stuff. To hell with you. Look at him.
I'll take you wherever you want to go. Just name it.
Thank you very much, but I'll manage.
What are you thinking for? As if I'd let you go by
Hey,
yourself.
let go of my leg!
I swear I won't let you go.
I'm gonna fall! Let go of me!
I'm at your service. I want us to become friends. Can you do me a favor, please? The car won't start. Can you give it a little push? Yeah, just a little push.
I can't push it by myself,
it's downhill
you know.
from here. It's downhill. Just give it a little push.
Put it in neutral.
Thanks.
Go!
Push.
Go!
Push.
Go!
Sorry for the trouble.
Go!
I'm really sorry.
Go, that's it!
Hey, pretty boy. If I see you again one more time, I'll run you over with this car.
Why don't you stand up and fight like a man? Idiot.
Siabi didn't come last night. I told him I'd definitely do it. Really? What did he say?
Excuse me, Mr. Sadri. There are some stockholders here to see you.
Hello.
Here they come now, sir.
Hello.
I swear to God, I keep telling them you're in a meeting, but they just wouldn't listen.
It's okay, ma'am. You can get back to work. Hello there. What a surprise.
Hello, sir.
How are you?
No, please sit down. Sit down, please. How are you, Mr. Futur?
Good, thank you.
Thank you.
How's Mr. Mai?
Thank you very much, sir.
Nice to have you here. It's so good to see you. Well, gentlemen, is something the matter?
We came here to ask you the same thing.
Well, go ahead and ask.
Is something the matter?
No. Everything is in perfect order. There aren't any problems.
So what about the rumours then?
They're just that. Rumours, as you mentioned, Mr. Fatui. It's just some baseless talk going around with the goal of harming our company's reputation.
We heard that Mr. Shamshiri's daughter came here this morning looking for her father.
Well, there are many people who go around looking for their fathers. Matter of fact, I'm looking for my father. But what's that got to do with us?
It has everything to do with us, Mr. Sadri. It seems you've forgotten that I invested my money in this company because of your reassurances.
Mr. Fatui, the company is your guarantor, not Mr. Shamshiri. Just to give you peace of mind. Well, yeah, it's true. Mr. Shamshiri had some personal issues going on in his life, so he decided to take 3 or 4 days off work.
Why didn't you tell that to his daughter then?
Because Mr. Shamshiri didn't want me to tell her. Please don't make me talk about every single detail of Mr. Shamshiri's life here. Please, I'd appreciate it.
Do you expect me to believe you?
Well, that's your problem, isn't it?
No, sir, it's your problem. It seems like you've forgotten that I put all my money into this company. I lose everything if anything happens to that man.
Mr. Fatui, like I said before, if there's a problem at any time, you can come to me without making any appointments, all right?
Is that what you tell your wife as well?
Mr. Ramadi, please don't meddle in other people's personal lives. It's been a year since Miss Musavi and I separated. She's an investor just like yourself.
No, Father, Daniel would never lie to me.
No, he never lies to you? How did he lie to you last night?
He
then?
said he came there from the airport. Maybe they weren't aware of anything, Father.
They weren't aware. What about the backpacks?
We still don't know what was in them, Dad.
You might not know, but I do. The boy's transporting drugs. He's a drug dealer.
No, Father, Daniel's not that type of person. He's not a criminal.
Didn't I tell you not to rush into things? I kept telling you that you'd find a decent person later. But you said, no, these people are decent. What kind of boy's that?
Why are you always so pessimistic, Father? I'm pretty sure you'll soon realize you're making a mistake here.
No, it's my fault for not getting the rest of that 50 million from him. He's using it for drug trafficking now.
Daddy, you're supposed to get that money from Ardeshir. What's poor Daniel got to do with it now?
He's got nothing to do with it, but boys take after their fathers. Give him a call.
Who should I call, Daddy?
Call that twerp so that I can prove to you that he's hiding something.
Well, what should I say to him?
Tell him you and your dad are coming to his house. Ask him
Hang
where
on a
he
minute.
is.
Just hang on,
Call
Dad.
him
Drive.
and tell him we're coming over. He'll probably say he's in Ukraine.
He's not like that, Daddy.
Call him.
Hang on, Daddy. Don't let him see you.
What should I do now? Hello? Hi there. How's it going, Ladan?
Hello, I'm good, thank you. Where are you now?
That's good. I'm in the shower.
He says he's in the shower, Dad.
What a liar that boy is.
Why can't I hear the sound of water then?
I'm scrubbing my foot, so I turned the tap off. Wouldn't want to waste any water, you know?
I'm so tempted to say something to him.
What a liar. Tell him we're on our way there. Tell him.
Hello, Daniel?
I can't hear you properly. Hang on, let me turn the tap off.
He's getting on my nerves now. Daniel?
That's better now. Yes, my dear?
My dad and I are coming over to your place now.
No. Don't come to our house now.
How come?
Don't come now. I'm not home.
Well, you just told me you're in the shower.
I am in the shower, but not the shower at my place. I'm at Grandma Kezi's place. Dad told us to come stay here for a couple of days till our pipes got fixed, so that's where we are now.
Oh, really? We'll come to Kezi's house then. We're on our way. See you soon.
No! Hello, Ladan?
What was that, Dad?
I'll show him. Just watch. He can't even drive inside the lines. Look at him.
Come on, go!
Thanks a lot, man.
You're welcome.
How much do I owe you?
5,000 termans.
How much?
5,000, sir.
You didn't drive me here from Bandar Abbas, did you?
It's not much, sir.
Here.
But, sir...
Yes, let me tell you, sir, that without a doubt this will be the first time that this idea will be implemented in this country. A complete and useful method. Come in. A useful method.
Hello.
Hey there, Mr. Faruzesh. Where were you?
I'm sorry.
Here is the company's
Hello.
senior engineer.
Here you are.
That's it?
Yes.
Put it in the DVD
Sure.
player. Our engineer here is a genius. He studied a number of courses while he was overseas for the past few years. He wanted to stay here and work.
Yes.
But I spent a lot of money to convince him to come work here for me, and I asked him to make me a detailed CD on this project. You'll see in a minute.
May I be
Of course
excused?
you can, Mr. Faruzesh.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I'll see you later. Goodbye.
Trust me, if this design gets implemented, all the other companies will be left wondering where the idea came from and how it got implemented. Let's have a look now. Take a look.
We have grandchildren.
What is this?
And eventually have a birthday party for our grandmother.
Hey! Why are you laughing, sir? There's been a mistake.
Oh, wonderful! Oh, wonderful! Oh my God!
شهرمون 100 تا کوچه، تو هر کوچه 100 تا خونه، که زیر سقفاشون هنوز عشق و صفا فراوونه. یه روزگاری بود، شبا پر از ستاره بود، هر شب تو خونه یکی ضیافتی دوباره بود. همسایه ها کنار هم، موقع قصه یار هم، تو لحظه های بی کسی چاره کار و بار هم. شبا روی فرش یا حسیر کنار هم جوون و پیر با هم دیگه گپ میزدن، چه دارا بودن چه فقیر. تو شهرمون 100 تا کوچه، تو هر کوچه 100 تا خونه، اگه بخوایم هنوز سفر به اون حوالی آسونه. هنوز میشه سفره ها رو کنار باغچه بندازیم، از شب